How to automatically accept follow request on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So right now you can see it's a professional account. So let me switch it to professional or personal account over here first of all. So let's just go and tap on switch account type and tap on switch to personal account over here. So basically what happens is when you have a personal account, you have to manually go to each and every profile that sends you the friend request or that wants to follow you. So you'll have to go to each and every option. But as you switch into your professional account, so let me just switch to professional account over here to show. So let's tap on account type and tools, then tap on next. I'm going to switch to professional account over here. So let's tap on next. So now as you switch to your professional account, what happens is you do not have to manually accept follow request. People are going to follow you automatically without your request or without their request being accepted. They can follow you whenever they want and they can unfollow you automatically. You do not have to go to each and every option. So in order to automatically accept a follow request, you can simply have your professional account or professional mode turned on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.